Hi there, this is Alicia King, Just a Girl in Camas, and I'm here today to talk to you about a really important topic. Did you know that the month of May is Mental Health Awareness Month? And actually, it's why I'm wearing the color green in this interview, because green is the color that people are wearing this month to bring more awareness to mental health. I'm featuring a few interviews this month about mental illness, and I'd really love you to tune in and listen to them for a few reasons. One is I would love to educate people more about mental health. Two is I would like to try and help break the stigma with mental health. And three is I'd like to start dialogue about mental health. I feel like if we can start sharing our stories with our families, or if it's personal or amongst our community, maybe we can make a difference and help those that suffer with mental illness. I want to give you a few facts about mental illness, and then I'm hoping that you'll tune into these interviews as I post them throughout the month. Did you know approximately 1 in 5 adults experiences mental health illness in a given year? Did you know that 26% of homeless adults staying in shelters live with serious mental illness, and an estimated 46% live with severe mental illness and/or substance abuse disorders? And actually, did you also know that for ages 10 through 24, suicide is the third leading cause of death due to lack of treatment? I think these statistics are super important. They're actually from NAMI, which is the National Alliance for the Mentally Ill. It's a website that's so helpful if you or someone you love is struggling with mental illness. You can go to their website, and they also have local chapters around the country that can help you. I hope you will help me bring awareness to mental health issues. It's so important, and we need to start talking about it and helping people that suffer with this. Please tune into my interviews, and again, I appreciate your time and support for Just a Girl in Camas. This is Alicia King, Just a Girl in Camas. Thank you.